Welcome to springlib.
We want to graph the function f of x is equal to 1 minus cosine of x to the fourth all over x to the eighth, using as many viewing rectangles as we need to depict the true nature of the function. So this first graph that we have here kind of in the center is just what I got when I kind of zoomed the function out a little bit. And we can see that around here it looks like we have a local or some local maxes. Down here we have some local mins. So we may want to zoom into this region a little bit. And we can also see in these two regions here off on the sides, it looks like it has this kind of periodic pattern to it that dampens as we go to infinity and negative infinity. So first, let's go ahead and zoom in to, let's just do the left-hand side. And doing that gives us this graph here. So it kind of looks like a sine or cosine, but it just dampens over time, and it just keeps getting closer and closer to zero. And for this middle region right here, I went ahead and zoomed in to around there. And you can see that as we get closer to x is equal to 0, it just looks like it starts to oscillate a lot more and more. And then I kept trying to zoom in more and more on the graphic calculator that I have, and it really never showed what happened in this region here. So you might want to say that nothing of interest really happens here, or you may think it goes to infinity or negative infinity. But if you were to actually look at the limit as x approaches 0 of this function, it should go to 1/2. So if you had a better graphing calculator that was able to go into more precise values, it should keep getting closer and closer and get closer to 1/2. But at least a graphing calculator that I have here wasn't really showing that very well. So, but I think these three viewing windows overall describes, at least to the best of the abilities of what I can show, the overall nature of this graph.